two things have happened. One is, as of yesterday, I closed on a a company, but the terms were changed and dictated by the Department of Defense. So some of the monies I had in reserve are
Yeah.
still in reserve, but they're totally dedicated to that company now. I can't use them for other things. But the business that I just bought and signed as of yesterday was too good of a deal to pass up. So
So you've already closed that other one, right?
yep, yep,
Yep.
yeah,
That's big. And how
yeah.
much
It's
that one is making?
that one was they were asking for 1 million, and I got it for 950,000. The land is valued at about 900,000. What's
So what kind of
interesting,
deal is that? What kind of deal
it
is that?
it's basically can't get into real tough specifics,
Sure,
but
yeah.
basically it's a between Seattle and Long Beach, California. They are the only ship repair facility, small ship repair facility on the West Coast. I don't know if you've seen the videos of the U.S. Coast Guard boats that go and hit the big waves and turn over.
I think,
This
yeah, yeah.
this facility repairs those.
Oh, wow.
We're just getting ready to finalize. I convinced the DoD if and they stepped in and helped me simply because the cost involved to send a Coast Guard vessel up into Seattle or down to Long Beach is more than the repair costs for what I
Yeah.
do
And
down in
what's the
Southern
cash flow
Oregon.
on the deal?
Cash flow was around 825 a year.
Is that revenue or is that net profit?
And that's net.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah, yeah. You see why I chased this so hard. Yeah. I and
That's a good deal. Yeah.
yeah, and I've been working on this for about a year and a half. So
Yeah, yeah.
we pushed all the chips in, and
I understand.
yeah, there we go.
Cool. I appreciate your time. I'll send you an email and we'll get connected back next week, okay?
Great, Edward. Thanks. I appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you, man. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye now.